In the midst of an AI revolution, unprecedented career opportunities are presenting themselves and giving everyone new options. The World Economic Forum Future of Jobs report suggests that 85 million jobs will be replaced by machines with AI by the year 2025. However, on the flip side, the same report states that 97 million new jobs will be created by 2025 due to AI. Today, we'll unveil 12 innovative jobs emerging in this AI-driven landscape. Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we put some real effort into bringing the latest and greatest from the world of AI. Let's dive in. Number 1. CAIO. We have all heard of terms like CEO, CFO, CMO, CTO, but now another executive position is going to take birth. It's called CAIO, or Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer. The core responsibilities of such personnel will include leading the design, development, and implementation of artificial intelligence within an organization. They are also expected to provide strategic direction for AI initiatives, oversee the ethical and responsible use of AI, and ensure that AI systems align with the organization's goals and values. The expected salaries for CAIOs will vary, with the average salary in the United States being around $300,000 per year. But in the beginning, it will be less than other executives. Experts suggest that during this period, salary can range from $125,000 to $150,000 per year. There are also speculations that CAIOs will work under CTOs, who are generally paid on average $203,000 per annum according to pay scale. Now, this will be the job every AI expert will dream of, but only the individuals with immense experience and strong academic background will be able to qualify for this position. Number 2. Prompt engineer. Next up, we have prompt engineers. These guys are responsible for training AI chatbots to improve their responses by writing questions and prose for them to test and enhance their answers. They have basic coding skills and are familiar with LLMs. They are also supposed to have a comprehensive understanding of data analysis techniques, excellent communication and collaboration skills, along with excellent problem solving. The salary of a prompt engineer ranges from $280,000 to $375,000 in the US and 160,000 euros to 300,000 euros in Germany. Despite the opportunities in prompt engineering for people without tech backgrounds, most high-paying roles do require individuals with more experience and higher levels of education in tech-focused areas. Number 3. Language Ingestion Optimizer. The role of a language ingestion optimizer involves enhancing data ingestion processes for the efficient handling of large-scale datasets. On the core, the people are data engineers, but with a new role altogether. This new job demands designing and implementing data management frameworks to streamline data flow and enhance data quality. Such professionals are supposed to be proficient in programming languages like Java, C++, and Python, utilizing them to create and implement optimization models and algorithms. How much will they be able to make? Well, it depends on factors like experience, location, and the employing company. They will be paid akin to those of related roles like big data engineers, spanning from $136,000 to $221,000. Number 4. Generative AI optimizers and auditors. The people who are going to be assuming this role will be becoming the backbone of marketing campaigns and brandings. Their primary duties will involve designing and optimizing cloud architectures to accommodate generative AI workloads, selecting suitable generative AI models for specific applications, and collaborating with data scientists and domain experts to fine-tune and optimize these models. They will also be responsible for copyright-related issues and ensuring what they are generating is free of bias and discrimination. Salaries for these positions vary based on experience and qualifications, ranging from $116,000 to $182,000 as base pay. The more auditory roles will pay around $136,000 to $256,000 per year. Qualifications for these roles typically include years of experience in key components of the cloud technology stack, expertise in supporting clients with AI, ML, Gen AI capabilities, technical/solution architecture proficiency, effective communication of business problems, and most importantly, consistent track record in selling and managing engagements. Number 5. AI Security Manager. AI can only serve the true purpose if it is secure, and for that, there needs to be someone who ensures security of all AI systems and applications utilized within an organization, identifying potential security threats and devising and executing security measures to thwart cyber attacks. They might also be tasked with monitoring and analyzing security systems to guarantee compliance with industry regulations. On average, information security managers or network security managers in the United States earn annual salaries ranging from $130,000 to $170,000, with an average base salary falling between $149,000 and $152,000. These are numbers from ZipRecruiter and Salary.com, and most experts suggest similar numbers for AI security managers. Number 6. AI R&D experts. Companies, no matter what business they do, will be employing AI for automation purposes. They will need a separate team for researching and developing tailor-made products for their businesses. This is where these guys will come in. According to Glassdoor, they will be paid well over $100,000 annually. Number 7. Semiconductor designers. AI requires a lot of silicon power, but is the world ready for it? With just a few players in the industry, the semiconductor industry will experience a radical shift to provide for the newly emerged need. This profession includes digital, analog, and RF system-on-chip designers to design more powerful chipsets with every passing day. Electronics engineers, embedded system experts, and FPGA experts will qualify for these roles and will have salaries ranging between $150,000 to $222,000. Number 8. AI medical equipment operator. AI is leading to massive developments in the field of health and medicine, but to handle this new kind of machinery, new kinds of skills are required. This is where AI medical equipment operators come in. Their responsibilities will include operating and maintaining AI-powered medical equipment, troubleshooting technical issues, calibrating and repairing equipment, ensuring compliance with regulations, and training staff on equipment use. Mostly people who are already serving as medical equipment technicians will be made capable for this job. This profession pays an average salary of around $64,000 in Los Angeles, California, with a range typically falling between $56,000 and $72,000 annually. Number 9. Automation supervisors. As AI technology progresses, the ongoing necessity for human supervision and oversight of automated systems persists. In fully AI automated systems, human roles encompass monitoring to ensure proper functionality and intervention when needed. Various government agencies, including the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the Department of Civil Justice Rights Division, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, and the Federal Trade Commission, have collectively issued an interagency statement emphasizing their commitment to ensure enforcement and supervisory authority in relation to algorithms, AI, and innovative technologies. The compensation for supervisors tasked with overseeing AI automated systems is contingent upon the industry and the level of responsibility. In certain instances, the oversight may demand highly skilled and specialized personnel, potentially leading to elevated pay scales. Number 10. AI-driven agriculture specialists. AI-driven agriculture specialists, or precision agriculture specialists, play a pivotal role in revolutionizing the agricultural sector by implementing and managing advanced technologies. Their primary objective is to optimize crop production, enhance efficiency, and promote environmental sustainability. This involves the development and implementation of AI-driven farming strategies to improve overall farm operations. A crucial aspect of their responsibilities is the continuous monitoring and analysis of crop data, weather conditions, and other factors. This information guides informed decision-making regarding crop management, irrigation, and pest control. They also have to collaborate closely with AI technicians and sales teams, but their main responsibility revolves around ensuring the seamless integration of AI technologies into agricultural operations. Education and outreach are also integral to their role. They are responsible for training and educating farmers and other stakeholders on the usage of benefits of AI-driven agricultural technologies. Staying abreast of the latest enhancements in both AI and agriculture is imperative, allowing them to consistently enhance and optimize farming practices. In terms of compensation, the salary for AI-driven agriculture specialists varies based on location and experience. In the United States, the salary range is between $89,000 and $114,000 per year, with an average of around $63,000 annually. Rounded figures for Iowa indicate a range of $44,000 to $48,000 per year, with $52,000 as the 25th percentile. Glassdoor estimates a salary range of $46,000 to $69,000 per year. If anyone wants to qualify qualify for this role, they should possess a strong background in agriculture, preferably backed by a degree in a related field, such as agriculture, business, or computer science. A good driving record and a valid driver's license are necessary, along with experience in AI technologies, including machine learning and data analysis. Number 11. VR and AR experts. As the world steps into the virtual domain, a new field is about to find its first major boom. Virtual reality and augmented reality experts will become the backbone of all our virtual experiences. They will be assigned development of AR/VR experiences, working collaboratively with designers, fellow developers, and project managers to bring these immersive experiences to fruition. The core of their work involves extensive coding, requiring a broad skill set that encompasses 3D programming, proficiency in Unity and Unreal Engine, and familiarity with C#. In the United States, the average salary for AR/VR developers is $121,000 per year. For VR specialist positions, the salary range is between $49,000 and $72,000 annually. VR/AR software engineers can expect an average salary of $252,000, while specialists at prominent companies like Meta and Niantic have the potential to earn close to $1 million per year, factoring in base salary, bonuses, and stock options. Problem-solving skills are absolutely mandatory, and basic qualifications for individuals aspiring to enter this field typically include a bachelor's degree and knowledge of the Unreal and Unity platforms. Number 12. AI-driven environment moderators. The impact of AI on our environment is immense. The drastic increase in production and usage of semiconductors have resulted in record heat emissions. But what does this mean? It means that governance is needed to ensure moderation in both usage and development of AI. As we know, where there is need for governance, manpower is required, and this is where AI environmental policymakers will come in. They will be the most seasoned experts from both the fields of environmental sciences and AI, and they will be compensated with good salaries as defined by different markets around the globe. Subscribe to AI Symbiosis for more news from the world of AI. Recently, Elon Musk's company xAI came out with their own chatbot called Grok. Would you like to know how well it compares to ChatGPT? To find out, click on the video link popping up, and we will catch you there in a second.